Hey folks, Old Guy here, out of the kitchen. And today, Mrs. Old Guy and I are in Paonia, Colorado, and we are eating a pizza from Hungry Bird Pizza. It is a truck, not a truck, but I guess a food truck. Is that what it's called? Yep, okay. They do a wood-fired pizza. Guy's name is Josh. Nice guy, really nice guy. And here is the pepperoni pizza that we just bought from him. I believe he uses the, I don't know, San Marzino tomatoes to make his sauce. All right, wow, this is just out of the oven. It is dripping. It is hot. Smells great. There's a crust. If you want to take a look at that. Crust looks good. It's a nice thin crust. That's almost razor thin there.
You lose some pepperoni.
All right. All right. Well, let's talk about the crust first. As you can see, it is really thin, but it has a nice chew to it. It has that little bit of crispness to it, and like I said, a really nice chew and a really nice flavor. Yeah, it's nice. That little bit of char that you get. That tastes really, really good. The sauce. Sauce. Boy. The sauce has a really, really nice flavor. It's a little bit sweet and a little bit tart, but not more than that. Just that little bit, and that really, that just makes my mouth water. It makes me want to get another bite. This is really good pizza. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna kind of edit this part in real quick just because I don't want to overlook, and I almost did, how good this mozzarella is. I did not ask him where he gets it from, but that definitely has the mouth feel of a whole milk mozzarella. Well, I really like that pizza, as a matter of fact. Now, see, this is going to be a first for Old Guy. Ever since I've been starting my Old Man Grunts for my ratings, I have yet to find anything that I wanted to give a 10 out of 10 and until now. And this pizza from Hungry Bird wood-fired pizza, I'm going to give it 10 out of 10 Old Man Grunts. This is really a top-notch pizza. I really like it. Yep. Even the dough by itself, the crust, has a really nice flavor. Yeah, definitely 10. So if you folks ever happen to be in Paonia, at the end of Grand, very end of Grand, you're gonna see his truck. What is it? Thursday? No, Mondays and I don't remember.
I don't either.
He's got a Facebook though. You can check his Facebook and see what days he is here. But it's well worth it. We're definitely coming back for more. Okay, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to finish this pizza while it's still hot and yummy and delicious. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time I'm out of the kitchen. Bye now.